Hi everybody, Mike with Mike Tries Motorsports here, and I've got you here in the garage studio today to introduce you to a new video series we're doing called 1 Minute Mike, where I'll spend about a minute or two introducing you to a new concept or just showing you what we've got going on in the garage behind the scenes. Today I'm going to be taking you into the work that we're doing on the Audi here, where we're working on the ABS sensor, the wheel speed sensor, so we can get the speedometer, ABS, and traction control working. You see, the Audi here has anti-lock brakes, traction control, and a speedometer. What do all three of those things have in common? They all use these wheel speed sensors right here to tell the car how fast each wheel is spinning. In this car's case, the speedometer is linked to the driver's side front wheel. So when the speedometer stopped working and traction control and anti-lock brakes also stopped working, all signs pointed towards the requirement of replacing a $20 anti-lock brake sensor. It's made of plastic. It simply inserts into the hub and it watches how fast the wheel here spins around. Now, I want to demonstrate to everybody that any 3 or 4 minute job is just one broken bolt away from becoming a 3 or 4 day nightmare. So here we are on day 3, I believe, of our 4 or 5 minute job because I've stripped the bolt, then broke the head off of the bolt, then I broke the sensor trying to get it out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Going behind the wheel here, you can actually see the sensor right there, or what's left of it. I've already taken the liberty of drilling out of stripping, then breaking, then drilling out the bolt here. This sensor is stuck. I cannot get it out of the spindle here. So what I did is I drove this screw into it, and I'll probably try to hook a slide hammer onto that and bash the thing out. So we'll see that in a future episode. And there you have it. Hopefully we'll have it buttoned up in the next day or 2 or next week sometime. And we'll have this in a future episode, a full-length episode. And I think the next episode you'll probably see is an SCCA autocross, followed by a high-performance driving event at Summit Point Raceway in Charlestown, West Virginia. I hope you enjoyed this 1 Minute Mike. I'm Mike. This is Mike Tries Motorsports. Keep it shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one.